Hey guys, so today I want to make a video about making chord progressions quickly and easily to show you what you can do in Ableton to get some chords together really fast, to get your ideas out and work on it from there. So let's jump right into it and I'll show you guys what you can do to speed up the chord writing process a little bit when you're writing music, hip hop, whatever. I just have some drums here. I'm just going to make that into a bit of a drum loop. So I'm just gonna add a piano here. So here's what you'll need to grab in Ableton to help make this process easier for you. Those. All right, so chord and scale are basically gonna allow you to write chords that are in key. So they won't really be the most interesting chords, but at least you'll be able to write something using just one MIDI note to get something out. So let's write a chord progression and go from there. So we'll start adding notes to your chord, basically. Maybe 3 semitones down, or up, sorry, 3, 8, 12, -4, -9, 15. Perfect, and then we'll set our bass chord to F. Alright, let's finish writing out these chords. Alright, we're gonna grab a flute, because why not? Flute gang. Oh, that's loud. Alright, let's add a fat sub. Alright, let's make these chords a little better. We'll just switch out the VST, maybe try something different. Oh, that's loud. Let's try. Give this flute some glide. So now a really cool trick is we can actually take those MIDI notes that we created with using chord and scale and we can print them out into actual chords. So we're going to open a new MIDI track and then we're going to print our chords to that MIDI track. We'll take the output from our serum and now we hit record. Okay, well that didn't work. So now you can actually go into those chords and adjust them to your taste and flip them around, make them a little bit more interesting, but basically that was a quick tip to help you write chords faster. So yeah, let's take a listen to this quick little beat that we made. All right, thanks for watching guys, and I'll catch you in the next video. Peace.